scared right now. She looks so scared. Oh, it's not. You can't see the scared face. She just ran upstairs. Hurricane Irene is hitting as of right now. This is what it looks like outside. Okay. Let's walk out in it for a second. Yeah, it's raining. You can hear and see. And the kitty's scared. Aw. Yep. So Hurricane Irene, what time is it? Let's look. It is exactly 10 a.m. And the kitty's like, wow, what's going on, mommy? Scratching and everything. Oh, let's get a nice look on the back porch. So yeah, this is Bangor, Maine. And this is what Hurricane Irene is doing at 10 a.m. in Bangor, Maine. We have not lost power yet. Power, we still have. Yeah. Not happy. Because we still have power and we still have everything like that, so. See how long we can keep that for. Alright, that's all for now. Say bye, kitty. Oh, she's hiding. Okay, goodbye.